Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. There is a walk-in interviews from 8th to 12th August 2023 by Kekule Pharma Ltd, a leading US FDA pharmaceutical company searching for interested candidates for the following job opportunities. And the vacancies in the department are production, QC, QA, safety and purchase engineering. Only male candidates can apply through all these positions, and the venue of the interview is at Kekule Pharma Ltd, MIA, Kajipalli Village, Jinnaram, Sangareddy District, Telangana. And the candidates who are interested for applying QA, safety and purchase engineering can share their CV through the mail ID given below. For any queries, please contact through the number given below. And thank you all for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Pharma Job Alert. And the location of this Kekule Pharma Ltd is at Hyderabad. Thank you.